Here we go now. They call me the voltage.
Hey Plums, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, everyone. If you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Jaynnifa. I'm a hairstylist based in Nigeria. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I revamp this hair. So this is what the hair looks like. It's a frontal coils. So I'm going to be, and it has been installed. So what I'm going to be doing, the service I'm going to be providing for this hair is to remove the glue from the lace. Then there's a torn part in this frontal, so I'm going to be stitching that. So if you're here for that, just stay tuned and watch this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this my YouTube channel. So the first I'm going to be using is this fish line thread and needle. That's what I'm going to be using to stitch the torn part of the frontal. There's no need for ventilation since the torn part is by the side of the wig, so you don't necessarily need to ventilate. So that's why I'm using a fish line thread to stitch this part. Okay. So this is how it looks after stitching. See how perfect and flawless it looks. So no need for ventilation. All right, let's move right to the next section, which is removing this glue from the lace. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to apply my shampoo on the lace. By the way, I'm using a Tresemme shampoo. That's what I'll be using. You can use any shampoo of your choice. So the next thing I'll be doing is to place the lace inside the boiling, not a boiling water, just inside the hot water. I already boiled the hot water, so I place in a container, then dip the lace into just the lace into the hot water and allow it to sit there for some minutes. So after some time, you need a brush like a toothbrush or your edge brush. You need it to like brush out the glue of the lace. I'm just doing it in one direction, as you can see. So that's what you're going to do. Then you can wash your hair, revamp if you have to, and your hair is ready to go. So that's it for this video. If you notice, the knots on this lace are a little bit over bleached, so I already did a whole video on how to correct that. I'm going to link it in the comments. I'm going to link it in the description box. Go over there and watch the video, like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye.